One of the names of Ramadan is the month of the Qur'an. And we all read the Qur'an on a daily basis. We enjoy going and listening to the Qur'an during the night prayers. But the most important question, does the Qur'an answer many of the questions we all have in our daily life, the day of fast pace, the day of many distractions? Many of us feel lost. We don't know why we are here. We don't know where are we going. And if each one of us look at the Qur'an, you will find the answer there. كتاب أنزلناه إليك مبارك ليدبروا آياته وليتذكر أولو الألباب. This is a book, send it to you, blessed, so they will reflect, ponder, learn from its verses. And those who can reflect, they will learn from it. You are worried? The Qur'an has it. You wonder where did we come from? The Qur'an has it. You wonder where are we going? The Qur'an has it. You wonder what Allah wants from us as women? The Qur'an has it. As men, Qur'an has it. As parents, as children. What about money? What about this life? What about the beauty? What about the creation? What about the moon? What about the sun? And I will give you one word. The Qur'an has it all.